Okay, Batya Chava, I'd like you to help me with this problem, please. Would you set it up on the scale? We have 4x's plus 5. Okay, please use the pawns and cubes. Good. And on the other side, we have 2x's plus 9. Okay, so the first question is, do you see any legal moves we can perform?
Yeah.
Okay, what legal moves do you see? You're taking away a pawn from each side. Good. Do you see any other legal moves?
Yeah.
Okay, any other legal moves?
Yeah.
What's that?
With the cube.
With the cubes. What do you want to do with the cubes?
Could take away 3 from each side.
Take away 3 from each side. Okay, so the 5 becomes a 2 and the 9 becomes
6.
a 6. Okay, very nice. Do you see any other legal moves with the cubes?
Yeah.
What's that?
1 and 1.
1 and 1 from each side? Okay,
Yeah.
why don't you do
this
that?
This will be 5.
That would be 5.
And this will be 1.
1. Good. Any other legal moves with the cubes?
Yeah.
What's that? You could use the other cube. The other cube has the smaller numbers.
Oh, yeah. 4.
So that becomes a 4.
And this becomes 0.
A 0.
So we can take it away.
Take it away. Good. So if you simplified the problem, you now have 2x's are 4. How much is each x?
2.
Okay, would you please write down over here, take the pen, write down x equals to 2.
Why don't we do it more down a little bit?
What's that? You can move it down?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Write it over here. X equals to 2. Good. Now, when you close the pen, and now what we want to do is do the check. Can you put up the original problem one more time, please? Good. Now, we said that x is 2, so we have to evaluate each side. Can you figure out what this is over here?
8 plus 5 is 13. And
2, 4, 6, 8, and 5 is 13. Okay, right over here, 13 equals?
There's 2 pawns and each of them is 2.
Okay, so that's 13.
Equals 13.
Okay, so both sides have the same value. So x equals to 2 is correct. How old are you, Batya?
7.
7, okay.